To graph an inequality, such as this one, is a two-step process. The first step is to graph the line 7x plus 5y equals 35. Just turn the inequality into an equation, and that's going to be the line that is the boundary of the region that we're shading. Okay, so to graph a line like this one, we need 2 points that are on the line. And in this case, the x and y intercepts, the first is going to be the y-intercept, because x is 0. And the second point, since y is 0, we have the x-intercept. When x is 0, the first term essentially disappears. 5 times y is 35, so it's 5 times 7 is 35, so y is equal to 7. When y is equal to 0, then the second term disappears, and it's 7 times 5 is 35, so x is 5. So we have 2 points on the line, so now we can graph the line. The y-intercept is at 7, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's about here. And the x-intercept is at 5, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's 5 on the x-axis, 7 on the y-axis. So the line goes through those 2 points. And this time the line is going to be a dashed line, not a solid line, because it doesn't include the points on the line. So the line is this one. So we've completed step 1. Step 2 is to decide which side of the line to shade, this side or this side. Well, we'll ask the origin. Hey, origin, are you shaded? If the origin is shaded, then we know that's the side of the line to shade. So step 2 is the origin shaded? And to answer that, we go to the original inequality, 7x plus 5y, larger than 35. And we simply substitute x into x and y into y. We could do this for any point, not just the origin. But the origin is easiest, because this side is just 0 then. And we wonder, is 0 bigger than 35? And the answer to that is no. 0 is smaller than 35, not bigger than 35. And so that's the answer to the question, is the origin shaded? No, it isn't. So if the origin isn't shaded, it must be the other side of the line that is shaded. So, in fact, this is the solution set to the linear inequality. Everything on this side of the line. We could have also determined that it was the top side of the line by putting the original one into slope-intercept form. Then it would end up being y is bigger than, which means the top side of the line.